Alright, hello. I am Kyle Stubler and this is my blockchain demo. So I'm just using Nike. Within my folder you'll see I've got 6, but I'll make that 5 files, 2 of which are code, 2 of which are the compiled code and just a README. So the README, very basic, it just says my name, my 811, and that it's an early stage demo of the blockchain. And so if I show you my block code, just kind of initializes each block. You can see the 4 variables. It's got a timestamp, the data, and then its previous block's hash and its current hash. Otherwise, just some very basic methods. And then my main is just a demo of kind of like how it would work. And so I just put in the data because I don't have any actual data yet, and these would be the previous block's hashes. So the Genesis block is just hashes with 0, and then it's the old hashes. And so if I compile and run star.java, and then Java main, you can see the code. So each block 0 through 4, has the previous hash. The Genesis block just has 0, but then each current hash is the previous hash of the next block, and all the timestamps will be the same because they were all run at the same time. But that's it. This is my blockchain demo.